Welcome to today's video on the top 10 game-changing features in Power BI. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, these features will help you analyze data more efficiently and gain deeper insights. Let's get started. 1. Personalized visuals in the service. Now, you can customize report visuals in Power BI service without modifying the original report. This is great for tailored insights while keeping the main report unchanged. 2. Quick Insights. Power BI's AI-powered Quick Insights helps you instantly identify trends and patterns in your data, all with just one click. 3. Field Parameters. Field parameters allow users to dynamically switch between different measures or dimensions in reports, making data exploration more flexible and interactive. 4. Smart Narratives. Power BI now provides automated text summaries of visuals. This feature explains key insights from your reports in plain language, making them easier to understand. 5. Q&A Explorer button. Ask questions about your data using natural language, and Power BI will respond with relevant charts and graphs. A simple and powerful way to interact with reports. 6. Sensitivity Labels. Protect your data with Microsoft Information Protection labels to ensure compliance and secure data sharing within Power BI. 7. Data Point Drill-Through. Now, instead of filtering the entire visual, you can right-click a specific data point and drill through to a detailed report page for deeper analysis. 8. Composite Models with Direct Query and Import. With Composite Models, you can combine direct query and import in a single dataset, offering better flexibility and faster performance when handling large data sources. 9. Subscriptions with Attachments. Schedule and automate email subscriptions for reports and dashboards, with attachments in PDF or PowerPoint format for easy sharing. 10. Version control with OneDrive and SharePoint. By saving your Power BI files to OneDrive or SharePoint, you enable version control and real-time collaboration, ensuring that your team always works with the latest report. That's a wrap on the top 10 Power BI features. Which one do you find the most useful? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Power BI insights. See you in the next video.